Yes, folks, that is Bushy Key. Still trolling, nothing as yet.
Top of the morning to you viewers. This is your boy Raleigh, representing for Extreme Visuals. This morning we'll be leaving the guys them on a key, on Eastern Key. Right? So we're going there now to drop them off and head back home.
Yes, viewers, we're on the location, you know. We're on the next key. Yeah. Boy, it's a vast amount of place to fish. Vast amount of place. Just look at that. There's some oil tank out there. This is our boat. As I said before, I won't be staying, you know. Right. I have some stuff to do over the weekend, so dropping off the guys them. I will trolling back. So hopefully I can hook up something to make a video for you guys. And please remember to like, subscribe and share. Drop us a comment down below. Tell us what you think. You know, we just started our channel and we are looking forward for your support, and thanks for those who are supporting so far. Alright, so we're on location. Alright, so see you when we're going back. Yes, viewers, give you a view from another angle. Another angle. Honestly, I'm sorry I couldn't make this trip. Trust me. So many places to fish. Look at that. Grow back, man. Oh, you're lucky you find a dive on bed. Hey, feel like I'm gonna need enough sinker though, you know. Yeah, brother, I can't see it, you know, Papa. Right, eh? You know, me never come and see 25 sinker. 40 or 50? Where do I have more than 25 sinker run a rock base? I always pass 50 sinker. We are say brother, when you go and buck up on the reef them, we must have rock with fishing brother, straight stone in the man. Yes, yours, here we are again, me and the captain. We are going home. We are trolling. I don't know if you can see the guys them. There's O'Neill and Noel over there. I don't know if you can see them from this distance. I heard that O'Neill got a hook up just before we left. I don't know if you catch it or what, but we are here seeing what we can find. I don't know if you can see them. Let's look up the island we left them, man.
Yes, folks. So now we'll leave the island. You know, about to board the boat. So right now we'll load up the boat. So you can see Big Youth and Sabrown. Yeah, man.
Okay, viewers, because of reasons beyond our control, we're unable to give you any live action. However, we'll show you the catch as soon as the guys get in. Alright?
Yes, folks. So you can see we'll leave now. Leave the island. Go to key there. Eastern key. Yeah, man. And then them on the board. Fisherman. Soon as I woke up, show you lot some more caption, some more of the video.
Just have the handle, you know. Later I'll show you the catch, how it looks like. On YouTube here. What you have to do there? All I want to go to miss that one there. Hold him, see. See, you even can't manage it. You can't even manage them, they're bigger than you. Hold him there and choke, man.
Him good now.
See him there? The young fisherman, you know. See him there? The young fisherman. Matching the boat. All the key them out, they matching the boat. Alright, fisherman.
Okay, viewers, this sums it up. Alright, I wouldn't say it was a disappointing trip, but it wasn't what the guys were expected. This is what I caught while trolling back after dropping off the guys them. I just might do a cook up for you guys with this. So please remember to share, like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.